Hi there. So as you guys can tell, I am suffering from a little bit of acne on my face. And for the longest time, I've tried to get rid of it, but I can't. It's impossible. I've tried all the methods possible, such as Proactive and the other ones, but they don't work. So today I'm going to give a new product a review. I'm told it's the latest bit of technology on the market, and it just hit stores. So before I do that, I do want to thank the companies who sent me this product. Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, and basically every other store that exists. So without further ado, here is the latest product. It's called soap. Let's see if you guys can focus in on that a little bit. Soap. S-O-A-P, I believe. Never heard of it. It is a little bit slippery, I will say. It's fallen out of my hands many times. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a try anyways. I'm going to put it on my face and get back to you guys right afterwards. So I've put the soap on my face, and at first I thought someone jizzed on me. You know, it looks like someone jizzed on me, but no one jizzed on me today. And, you know, it feels kind of weird a little bit, but I'm told you guys to put water on afterwards, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay. So now my face is drenched. It's drenched in water. And now I think I have to put a towel on it and kind of dry it a little bit. I'm using just a regular towel I found at my house, nothing special. So let's do it. It's gonna be fun. And Shazam! I am basically zit-free at this point. As you can tell, flawless skin. I look good. I feel good. I'm ready to go fight somebody. No, I'm not. It's pretty remarkable how soap works. But thanks to soap, water, and a normal towel, you can look just like me. Now go ahead and buy it at your local store, anywhere, and let me know. Let me know if it works for you as perfectly as it worked for me. All right, guys. Thanks.